Right now, our Inflation Sentiment API is showing a sentiment score of minus 0.19, which is significantly lower than our historical baseline. This negative sentiment, coupled with a momentum spike of plus 0.30, suggests a rapid shift in how people are feeling about inflation. With 19 semantic clusters in play, you're looking at diverse opinions emerging around this topic, indicating that concerns are not just growing, they're evolving. You can leverage this data to adjust your financial models or enhance your predictive analytics. For instance, if you're building a strategy around inflation-linked assets, this sentiment shift could signal a time to recalibrate your approach. To dive deeper into the data and see how it can benefit your projects, visit us at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.